In this one, we'll be taking a look at Azure Functions app, which allows us to create multiple functions for a specific application. Now, these functions are serverless, and that's why they all are hosted and created on Azure itself. We can create these functions in various languages. For instance, in this course, we'll be using Node.js to create these functions. These functions are meant to respond to various triggers. For instance, get, post, put, delete. These are some of the common scenarios where we will be using our functions to respond. The functions can perform various tasks such as saving and retrieving data to and from Cosmos DB or uploading content to Azure Blob Storage. It also has a package manager available, which has got a certain set of libraries to take care of many things like authorization, file uploads, etc. So now let's go ahead and see how we can create a function app in Azure. Once you are logged in, all you need to do is just click the hamburger icon on the left top corner, and from there you will be able to select function app. Click on create to start creating a new function app. Now here you will be required to provide a subscription and then a resource group. After that, you need to provide a function name using which a URL will be created, and then you can also publish it to as code or a Docker container. We'll be going with code. Then you can choose the runtime stack. As I mentioned, we'll be going with Node.js, and here the version is 12. Region is Central US. You can then click on Review plus Create to create the function app, and once that's done, you will be able to see something similar in nature as we have over here, our function app. So this is the dashboard where you will be able to see information related to the function app. For example, the resource group, the subscription ID, and the URL, the operating system on which this has been created, and app service plan. There are properties as well. Using this link, you will be able to see the details of it. Then these are the metrics that comes up once your function app is up and running. Apart from this, you will also see the functions that one can create inside the function app. You'll be able to get your profile using this link, get publish profile. You can also download app content using this link. We'll be using some of these when we'll be actively developing our application. In this course, we have settings over here like configuration, authentication, and authorization, and then some custom domain mapping. And as you remember, I was mentioning that it has got its own package manager. We will be able to access those using the advanced tools and the development tools menu option, and API management like course setting and all will be handled via this menu. So that was how we can create our function app in Azure. In the next one, we'll be diving further and we'll see how we can create functions in a given function app.